Hello and welcome to video number 1 in the series on how to make sure your contents insurance claim gets paid. Just picture this. You're coming home to this. The place has been taken apart, clothes strewn everywhere, shelves have been destroyed, wardrobes emptied. The place is a mess. Your home has been burgled and vandalized, but adding to the distress of having your privacy invaded and your personal effects stolen or ruined, you soon find out that your insurance company has rejected your claim. What a disaster! But it doesn't have to come to this if you prepare with just 3 simple steps. You record, you calculate, and you update. So in this video series, I'm going to go through these various bits and pieces and tell you step by step what to do. So in this video we start with the record bit. It's very simple. You grab your digital camera, if you don't own one, borrow one from a family member, a friend, and you go systematically through each and every room in your house and take photos of your furniture, your appliances, and that includes all the small appliances like hair dryers, shavers, small fans, radios, your entertainment systems, and by that I not only mean the big one in the lounge, but maybe some ghetto blasters that the kids may have, all your sport and recreational equipment, and that includes things like skis and jet skis, all those wonderful toys, saddles if you're riding, the lot. Include your outdoor furniture, check out the garage and your shed for tools, mowers, ride-on mowers, those things. Move on to all your technical equipment, your computers, laptops, notebooks, phones, MP3 players, iPads, the list probably goes on. Grab all of your clothes and lay them out, take photos. Ladies, check all your toiletries and cosmetics. You'll be quite surprised what kind of value is hooked up in those, and probably the man in your life will be even more surprised when you add up the dollar figures. Record your DVDs, CDs if you have them, any books, collectible items, and store them all on that digital camera. The next step is looking at your jewelry and valuables in particular, and I would suggest laying them out nicely and taking photos, probably better than what we see in this picture here. I would suggest actually taking individual photos of each and every item, and another suggestion, any individual jewelry item that's worth over $2,000, you should get a valuation done every about 2 or 3 years on that, because you'll be quite surprised how the values can creep up over time. In a future video I will share with you the story of a client whose wedding ring increased over time from around about $30,000 to way over $100,000, and how that impacted on their insurance policy. Once you are finished with all the photos, save the pictures to your computer and then burn them onto a recordable CD like in the picture here, or transfer to a small USB stick or flash drive, some people call them. And now comes the most important bit: do not keep these at home, because if your place burns down or gets ransacked, chances are this information gets lost, destroyed, or taken away as well, and then the whole purpose was futile. The best option is give it to your financial advisor or insurance broker to keep in your file, because this way, now when you have a claim, you have undeniable proof of what you've owned. And when you lodge the claim and you get your broker to work on your behalf to help you with that, you have a record of everything you owned, and there will be no dispute about that. Because most problems with insurance claims on contents relate to the facts that it is very difficult to prove what you actually owned and in what condition it was. And the reality is we all lead very busy lifestyles, and we forget to keep the records of our receipts and file them in a good spot, and then the problem hits the proverbial fan when it comes to claim time. So this is a very, very safe way to show what you owned and in what condition it was. So now that we covered this off, I encourage you to go to video number 2. If you can just have a quick look at the disclaimer notice on the next slide, and I will see you in video number 2. Thank you.